name is Sopima Cadillac Jr. My report is all about 9 key steps of successfully selling online. So, number one, find a niche or competitive angle. So, identify a specific area of interest and research high demand products within that niche to differentiate your businesses from the competitors. There are some ideas of competitive angles. Number one, eco-friendly pet products. With pet ownership on the rise, eco-conscious pet owners are looking for sustainable products. You could create a line biodegradable pet toys, recycled materials, pet beds, or organic fur food. Competitive angle are highlights the environmental benefits and durability of your products compared to traditional pet products. Number two, establish your target audience. Determine the ideal customers through surveys and competitors analysis, creating buyer personas that include their pinpoints, interests, demographics, and jobs titles. There are sample of establishing target. Example, the fitness, the age 24 to 45, location, urban areas. Number 3, decide which product to sell. Choose the products to sell considering factors like manufacturing, private labeling, single product versus product line, and businesses model option like Shopify, collective for sourcing product from other brand. Very carefully considering these factors, you can make informed decision about which product to sell. Number 4, create an online stores. Build an online stores where customer can buy products including essential pages like products, category about contacts and pack, and optimize the checkout process for a better conversion rate. There are example of online stores. Like example, the name is boutique. The suitable fashion for a woman. Products is eco-friendly clothing, organic cotton, recycled materials. Second, the second-hand clothing. Number 3 is sustainable accessories or reusable bag jewelry. And the target is age 24 to 45. Number 5, choose your sales channels. Select platform for selling products including your own website for direct sales and customers data collection. Online marketplace like Amazon, Etsy for broader exposure, social commerce through platforms like Instagram, TikTok, B2B, wholesale channels for bulk sales to others retailers. There are example of choosing shipping methods. So, there are shipping option. So, naman ito pagpilian yung ang shipping natin, di ba? Yung gusto natin yung madalian, yung matagalan, pero mas maganda yung madalian. Example, 3 to 7 days business day. Um, 1 to 3 days, di ba? So, free shipping or non-shipping. So, international shipping, shipping countries outside domestic market. Number 6, set up payment processing, implement a payment processor to successfully handle online transaction accepting payment methods like debit and credit cards and offering digital wallets like Shopee for smoother customer experience. There are payment setting of payment processing like PayPal. Stripe, Square, like an Abili, Baboy. Number 7. Choose your shipping method. Select shipping option that meet customer expectation for speed and cost considering domestic and international shipping strategies, exploring option like carbon neutral shipping. So standard shipping to 3 to 7 days o 1 to 3 days. Number 8. Promote your product. Use an e-commerce marketing strategy to spread the word about your products utilizing social media, paid advertising campaigns, and potentially pre-delivery advertising sites. There are examples of promoting products like eco-friendly yoga mask. So target audience like age 24 to 45. And also they have a promotion to strategies like social media campaigns, influencer partnership, email marketing, content marketing, paid advertising, and also are the tactics. So many tactics like example discount or promotion, product reviews encourage, giveaways and context. Number 9. Continuously improve your services. Focus on ongoing improvement by automatic time-consuming tasks and refining products assortment to remain competitive and scales the business. That unlike example of yoga classes, the important is improvement of strategies, collect feedback regularly, analyze performance metrics, update or expand context, improve user experience, and also the invest optology, and also the invest strategy improvement of tactics, response to customer feedback, um, of new classes, open new classes, improve communication, monitor competitors, and also the train the staff.